It's the holiday season and you're looking for a dessert to round out your table. But why go to your neighborhood bakery? We got you covered here at Acaiguy Cooks with our holiday dessert series. And today's video is Chai Spice Almond Cake. So let's get started. Let's create the Chai Spice blend. Time for the egg yolks and sugar. Let's prepare the dry ingredients.
Yep.
Let's prepare the egg whites. Set your timer for 30 minutes. As always, keep in mind that ovens do vary. Chai Spice originated in the Assam region of India more than 5,000 years ago. It was consumed by ancient royals as a healing beverage. Time to make the Chai Spice cream cheese frosting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion of this Chai Spice Almond Cake on a plate.
Yep.
That looks really delicious. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the almond flour creates a very tender crumb, and the chai spice is a welcome addition to the overall flavor of the cake. The chai spice cream cheese frosting creates an incredible dimension of flavor, and of course the almonds gives a slight crunch. This is one of my favorite cakes, and your guests will be delighted and everybody will really enjoy it. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. The dessert is perfect and your table looks amazing. And there's 2 slices left for you and a friend to enjoy later in the evening. Happy holidays, everyone. Stay with us. Watch the next video.